Hi friends, once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Yes, today we are going to part 14 of Profit and Loss, which is continuous questions to part 13. Okay, 94th question. Two articles are sold for rupees 4,752 each. On one, the seller gains 32% and on the other, he loses 28%. What is his overall profit or loss percentage nearest to one decimal place? రెండు వస్తువులు ఒక్కొక్కటి 4,752 చొప్పున అమ్మారు. మొదటి దానిపై 32% లాభం, రెండవ దానిపై 12% నష్టం లభించింది. అయినా మొత్తం మీద లభించు లాభం లేదా నష్ట శాతం 2 దశాంశ స్థానాలకు సవరించగా ఎంత? Yes, consider the cost price, selling price of first and second article. On first article, there is a 32% profit. 32% fraction value is 8 by 25. That means 25 is cost price. Then there is a profit 8 units. So SP is 32 units. And on second one, he loses 28%. 28% means 7 by 25. That is, if cost price is 25 units, there is a loss 7 units. So selling price is 18 units. But case is that selling price of each article is equal. So we have to equate these two numbers. That is SP of both articles. Since LCM of 33, 18 is consider 33 into 18 can be written as 6 into 3, but 3 is already included in 33, so consider 6 in the product. Yes, this can be expressed as 3 into 11 into 6. Here we have 33, so multiply it by 6 and here by 11. Yes, now consider profit on first article, that is 33 minus 25, 8, 6, 48 units are profit. And consider loss here, 18 minus 25, 7, 7 into 7, 11, 77 units loss. So overall effect is loss percent, as loss is more than the profit. Loss is 29 units over, consider the cost price of both the articles. 625s are 150 plus 1125s are 275 into 100%. Yes, minus 29 by 275 plus 150, 425 into 100%. Yes, 25 4s are 25 on the 25, 175, 25 7s are 125. 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 116 over 70%. We know that 17 7s are 199, which is little bit less than 119. So answer must be less than 7 and loss, that is 6.8% loss. 6.8% loss. Okay. Next question, 95. Two articles are sold for rupees 2508 each. On one there is a gain of 14% and on the other there is a loss of 12%. What is the overall gain or loss percent to nearest to one decimal place? రెండు వస్తువులు ఒక్కోటి రూపాయలు 2,508లకు అమ్మారు. మొదటి వస్తువుపై 14% లాభం మరియు రెండవ వస్తువుపై 12% నష్టం లభించింది. అయినా మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో లభించు లాభం లేదా నష్ట శాతం 2 దశాంశ స్థానాలు సవరించగా ఎంత? చూద్దాం. సొల్యూషన్ CP SP on first article and second article. Yes, on first article there is a profit 14%. 14% fraction value is 7 by 50. If CP is 50 units, then SP is 57 units. And 12% loss on second article, it is written as 3 by 25. The fraction value of 12% is 3 by 25. Yes, if 25 units are cost price of second article, there is a loss 3 units, so selling price is 22 units. But selling price of both articles are equal, so we have to equate these two values. Multiply here by 22 and here by 57. Yes. Now the SP of both article, first article is 57 into 22 units, second article is also 57 into 22 units. SPs are equal now. Now consider the profit on first article, 57 minus 50, 7 times of 22, which is equal to 154 units. Loss on second article, that is 3 units into 57, which is equal to minus 171 units loss. Overall is, since loss is more than the profit, overall is loss percent. Overall effect is loss percent, that is equal to minus 171 plus 154, that is minus 17 units over. Consider the cost price of overall cost price, that is 22 into 50, 1100. 57 into 25. 25 sevens are 175. 17 carry. 25 5s are 125 plus 17, that is 142. 1425. Total cost price is 25 into 100%. 25 101s are 25 4s are, which is equal 17 4s are 68 over 101%, which is approximately equal to 100. 68 by 100 is 0.68% loss, but we have to tell nearest to 1 decimal place, 0.68 nearest to 0.7% loss. Okay, next question. 96. Two articles are sold for rupees 1897 each. On one there is a gain of 42.84% and on the other there is a loss of 6.25%. What is the overall gain or loss percent? రెండు వస్తువులు ఒక్కొక్కటి రూపాయలు 1890లకు అమ్మారు. మొదటి వస్తువుపై 42.84% లాభం మరియు రెండో వస్తువుపై 6.25% నష్టం లభించింది. అయినా మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో లభించు లాభం లేదా నష్ట శాతం ఎంత? Consider the CPSP of two articles, first and second. 42.84%. 42.84% fraction value is 3 by 7. If cost price of first article is 7 units, there is a profit 3 units, so SP is 10 units. And there is a loss 6.25% on second article. The fraction value of 6.25% is minus 1 by 16. If cost price of second article is 16, there is a loss 1 unit, so SP is 15 units. But SPs are equal, so equate SPs, multiply here by 3, multiply here by 2. Since LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, to make it 30, multiply first ratio by 3, second ratio by 2. Yes, consider the profit here. 10 minus 7, 3 units, 3 3s are 9 units are profit. And consider the loss here, that is 1 unit is loss, 1 into 2, 2 units loss. 1 into 2, 2 units loss. Overall is profit, that is 7 units profit over 7 3s are 21, 2 16s are 32, 21 32 53 units into 100%. Overall is profit, which is equal, if it is 50, suppose it is approximately equal to 50. 51s are 52s, so answer must be 14%, but it is 53, so answer little bit less than the 14, that is 13.20. Since remaining answers are all above 14 above, so answer must be less than 14%, that is 13.20% profit. Next question, 97th one. Two articles are sold for rupees 10,384 each. On one the seller gains 18% and on the other he loses 12%. What is his overall gain or loss? రెండు వస్తువులు ఒక్కోటి రూపాయలు 10,304 అమ్మారు. మొదటి వస్తువుపై 18% లాభం మరియు రెండో వస్తువుపై 12% నష్టం లభించిన మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో లభించు లాభం లేదా నష్టం ఎంత? Yes, 18% fraction value is 9 by 15, it is profit, and 12% fraction value is 3 by 25. Now consider CP SP, first article, second article. CP of first article is 50 units, there is a 9 units profit, so 59 units are SP. And CP of second article is 25, there is a loss into 3 units, so SP is 22 units. But SPs of both the article are equal, so we have to equate it. Multiply here 22 by here 59. Now see the profit and first article. 59 minus 50, 9 times of 22. 9 times of 22, that is 198 is profit. Loss is 3 units of 59, that is 177.
overall effect is profit. Since profit is more than the loss, so profit is 21 units. Profit is 21 units. So answer must be multiple of 21 and there is a profit. So 178, these two are not answers as we get profit. So and profit must be multiple of 21. 168 is a multiple of 21 and gain percent. So answer is B. Okay.
Next model question, very important model problems these are. 98.
Two articles A and B were sold at rupees 4,960 and 3,720 respectively. A profit of 31.25% is made on article A and a loss of 18.18% occurs on article B. Find overall profit or loss percentage on whole transaction. రెండు వస్తువులు ఏ మరియు బిలు వరుసగా 49, 60, 37, 20లకు అమ్మారు. వస్తువు ఏ పై 31.25% లాభం మరియు వస్తువు బి పై 18.18% నష్టం లభించింది. అయినా మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో లభించే లాభం లేదా నష్ట శాతం ఎంత? ఎస్. కన్సిడర్ సొల్యూషన్. Ratio of their SPs. This is first article. Ratio of SP of first and second article. 37:20. Consider their ratio. 124 4s are 124 3s are. Ratio of SP of first and second article are 4:3. Now, on selling first article, there is a profit of 31.25%. That is 5 times of 6.25%. That means 5 by 16. There is a profit of 5 by 16. And on article B, there is a loss of 18.18% loss. That means minus 2 by 11. Fraction value of 18.18 is 2 by 11. Now consider CP is SP of first article and second article. If CP of first article is 16 units, then SP is 21 units as there is a 5 units profit. Similarly, CP of second article is 11 units and we get 2 units loss, so SP is 9 units. Okay? Yes. But SPs are in the ratio 4:3. SP of first and second article are in the ratio 4:3. To make it 4:3, we have to equate these two values first. LCM of 21, 9 is equal to, consider 20. 9 can be split as 3 3s are 9, but these 3 already exist in 21, so consider 3 in the product. 21 3s are 63. To make it 63, we have to multiply here 3. We have to multiply here by 7. Yes. Now, the selling price of both the articles are same. 21 3s are 63, 9 7s are 63. But they must be in the ratio 4:3. So multiply first ratio by 4, second ratio by 3. Okay? Yes. Now 3 3 equal terms gets cancelled in both ratios. The profit is, see the profit here, and here we have loss. Now profit is 21 minus 16, 5 units, 5 into 4, 20 units is profit. Loss is 9 minus 11 minus 2, 7 of minus 14 is loss. Overall, there is a profit as profit is more than the loss, that is 6 units over. Consider the sum of cost price of first and second article. 16 4s are 64 plus 11 7s are 77 into 100%. Yes, 6 by 130 plus 11, 141 into, that is 600 by 16 to 100, 600 by 141 percentage. So 141 4s are 564. Answer must be 4 point something. Only option C exists, so answer is 4.25%. Okay.
Next model problems. 99.
3 articles were sold at 18.18% loss comma 20% profit and 14.28% profit respectively. Selling price is same for all three articles. SP is same articles and he made an overall profit of rupees 650. Then find the total CP of all three articles together. మూడు వస్తువులు వరుసగా 18.18% నష్టం, 20% లాభం మరియు 14.28% లాభంలకు అమ్మారు. ఆ మూడు వస్తువుల అమ్మిన విలువలు సమానాలు మరియు మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో లాభం 650 రూపాయలైనా ఆ మూడు వస్తువుల కొన్న విలువల మొత్తం ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో కన్సిడర్ CP SP of all three articles: first article, second article, third article. On first article, 18.18% loss. Fraction value of 18.18 is minus 2 by 11 as it is loss. So cost price is 11 units, then selling price is 9 units for first article. And 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. If cost price of second article is 5 units, there is 1 unit profit, so SP is 6 units. 14.28% fraction value is 1 by 7. So SP is 7 for third article, there is a profit 1 unit, selling price is 8 units. Given that selling price is same for all articles, so we have to equate their selling prices. Consider LCM of 968. LCM of 968, take 9. So 6 means 3 2s, 3 already exist in the 9, so consider 2 in the product. 8 can be written as 4 2s, 2 already exist in 9 into 2, so consider 4 in the product. Yes. 8 9s are 72 is LCM. To make it 72, I have to multiply first ratio by 9, second ratio by 12, and third ratio by 9. Yes. So 8 9s are 72, 12 6 is 72, 9 8s are 72. Okay. Yes. SPs are equal. We have to find profit or loss on each article. That is 9 minus 11 minus 2 into 16 minus 16 units are loss on first article. There is a profit 6 minus 5 1 into 12 units are profit here, and there is a loss profit of 8 minus 7, and the profit on third article is 8 minus 1 into 9 units. 12 plus 9 21 minus 16, overall 5 units is profit. Yes. And what is the cost price? Since we have to find sum of cost price of first, second, third article, 8 11s are 88 is cost price, 12 5s are 60, 9 7s are 63, 8 plus 3 11, 13 plus 8 21. 211 unit is total cost price. Total CP is 211 units. Profit is 5 units. This 5 units value given by the question, that is 650 rupees. Then 1 unit value is 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 0s are. But we have to find 211 units value. 211 units equal to 211 into 130. Units place is 0. Tens place must be 3. So match the tens place in the answer. We have only one option. 10 place is 3. So answer is B. So answer is 27,430 is the cost price of all three articles together. Okay.